want you guys to give me zero work on some of these boards. So, if you see something like this, and you get a set of numbers, and it says, do these numbers make a right triangle? Instead of doing nothing, let's make a triangle. And then let's assign the smaller of the two numbers to the legs of the triangle. And you're going to do this on all of your numbers. You're going to show me a little bit of work, okay? And then let's apply that big number to the hypotenuse, or that hypotenuse. And then we're going to plug in the numbers into the Pythagorean theorem. Okay, so the Pythagorean theorem is the first thing we're going to do. And then we're going to plug in our numbers. If you have to label your triangle, label your triangle. Remember, the hypotenuse is always across from that right angle. So you always know where your C is. Doesn't matter, A and B are interchangeable. Okay, so we have all three numbers. So let's plug them all in. This is different than solving for a missing side, because we have all three sides. Okay, so I have 10 squared plus 20 squared. And that together, when you square it and add it together, has to equal this third side squared, or it's not a right triangle. So let's see. 10 squared is 100. And this is all the work you need to show me. 20 squared is 400. And 40 squared is 1600. So let's add those all. Is it 1600? Let me just check. Let me check all my numbers. I know 10 squared is 100. 20 squared is 400. And 40 squared is 1600. So I'm not off. I just don't know why I knew that so quickly. Alright, so 100 plus 400 is 500. Did that equal 1600? Nope. So this cannot be a right triangle, because this side squared plus this side squared, which is what we did here, does not equal this side squared. So you would say that's not a right triangle. Now the question you're asked is, which one does not have the numbers that would make a right triangle? So please only circle the ones that would not make a right triangle.